Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to our channel. And if you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Our channel is filled with cake, cupcake, cookie, and candy making videos. We are a baking, decorating, and candy making supply store, so we will also post new videos when we get new products in store. If you want to see all of the products that we offer, click the link in the description. Today we will be making a flower crowned chick cake. Let's get into the video.
Start by smooth frosting your cake with pastel yellow buttercream. Next, prepare your pastry bags. Fit a small pastry bag with leaf tip number 352. Then fit 2 large pastry bags with star tips number 866 and 856. Place some white buttercream in a bowl. This can be mixed with any remaining pastel yellow buttercream used to frost the cake. Add yellow gel food color until you have reached a bright yellow buttercream. Fold down the top of the pastry bag, fit with tip number 856, and place in a cup. Fill the bag with bright yellow buttercream and set aside. In the same bowl, add a small amount of white buttercream. Add a couple of drops of leaf green and electric green gel colors and mix. Fill the bag, fit with leaf tip number 352 with this buttercream. Place some buttercream in a clean bowl and add deep pink and electric pink gel colors until you reach a bright pink. Fill the bag, fit with tip number 866 with this buttercream. Starting with the yellow, pipe rosettes randomly around the top of the cake, piping a few on the top edge. Then, pipe dollops of pink buttercream to fill in the gaps. Finish the piping by adding green leaves to some of the rosettes. To make the beak, knead some orange fondant and roll into a ball. Then, use a sucker stick or a knife to cut the ball in half, making sure not to cut all the way through. Gradually elongate the top and bottom sections and form the whole shape into a triangle. Find where you want to place the beak on the cake, then insert a sucker stick and press the beak into the sucker stick. Use a small amount of piping gel to help the beak attach to the cake. Then, use a sucker stick or a modeling tool to extend where the beak opens. For the eyes, knead some black fondant and roll into a log, making sure both ends are tapered. Shape the fondant into a curving line, then repeat these steps for the second eye. Attach these fondant pieces to the cake using piping gel. Finish this cake by adding some white edible jewel dust.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you want to make this chick cake yourself, check out the link in the description. That will take you to our website, and link below that photo are all the products that we used in the video. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Be sure to comment and let us know your thoughts on this video, as well as any other projects you would like us to create. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Country Kitchen Sweetheart to stay updated on our new products, sales, and holiday items. See you next time!